Hey, travelers! Welcome back to the English Trending Podcast. If you're planning to travel abroad but English makes you nervous, stay right here with us.
Because after this episode, you'll walk into airports, hotels, taxis, anywhere with confidence. We're giving you 5 simple grammar formulas that make travel English super easy.
No heavy rules, no stress. Just simple English you can use today. All right, let's jump in. Let's start with something you'll use all the time while traveling, asking for help. And for that, we have 2 magic words, can and could.
Think of can as friendly and direct. You use it in everyday situations, with a shopkeeper, a taxi driver, another traveler, or someone you're casually talking to.
And could is like the softer, more polite version. It's still simple, but it sounds more respectful. Perfect when you want to be extra polite, like with hotel staff, airport workers, or strangers.
So your idea is right. Can feels more casual, could feels more polite, but both are great for travel English. For examples, can you help me? Can I get a ticket? Could you tell me the way? Could I have some water?
See? Same meaning, just different levels of politeness. Use whichever feels right in the moment.
All right, let's move to our second travel formula, talking about your plans. This is something you'll do a lot when you meet new people on your trip.
And here's the simple rule. If you already decided something before this moment, use going to. If you decide something right now, at this moment, use will.
Think of going to as a plan that's already in your mind. You thought about it, maybe you booked something, or you just know what you want to do. Examples for going to. I'm going to visit Paris. We're going to take a bus. I'm going to try local food.
So in all these examples, your plan was already made before. You decided earlier. Examples for will. I'll take a taxi. I'll buy a ticket now. I'll call you later.
And in these examples, you're making the decision right now, in the moment.
Now let's move to something every traveler needs, and that is asking questions. You'll ask questions everywhere, at the airport, in a shop, at a bus stop, in a hotel, basically all the time.
Questions like, where is the station? What time is the bus? How much is the ticket?
And to ask these questions clearly, we use the WH family. What, where, when, why, who, which, how.
Now, let's talk about the structure, because this is where many learners get confused. The structure is WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb.
Think of it like building a small sentence in the right order. The WH word tells what kind of information you want. The helping verb, like is, are, do, does, helps you form the question. Then comes the subject, the person or thing. And finally, the main verb, the action.
For example, where is the station? Where is the bathroom? What time does the train leave? How much is this? When does the bus arrive?
Once you remember the WH family and this simple order, you can ask any question confidently.
Now imagine someone asks you for directions. Or you're in a taxi and need to guide the driver.
This is where imperatives help. They're just the verb, no subject, no tense. Super simple.
Examples. Go straight. Turn left. Take the second right. Stop here.
Clear, short, and perfect for travel situations.
And now our final formula, sharing your travel experiences. This one sounds scary, but we're making it super simple.
Present perfect equals has/have plus third form. That's it. No need to memorize big rules.
Use it for things you've done in your life, your experiences. For example, I have visited London. She has tried Italian food. We have traveled to many countries. If you can say have/has plus third form, you can share any experience.
And there you go. 5 formulas that make travel English simple and stress-free.
With these, you can ask for help, talk about plans, ask questions, give directions, and share experiences, all confidently.
Thanks for listening to the English Trending Podcast. Share this episode with someone who's traveling soon.
And remember, English is not about perfection, it's about communication. You're doing great.